Hello, Heritage Agents. I want to just do a quick overview of the major parts of an opportunity so you have a quick guide if you get stuck, or just a quick overview, a refresher maybe of the various pieces. So I'm going to quickly build an opportunity. We are in the opportunity applet, which is the little handshake over here on the side. It says opportunities. You are going to make sure you're either under your individual profile if you're on a team, or if you need to be under your team profile. Quickly over here, we're going to press Create Opportunity. And the first step to making sure you get this done correctly is the opportunity type. We need to select the correct type at the beginning. Otherwise, the opportunity will not populate or have the correct documents for you to select from. So if you're taking a listing, you're going to leave it at that. Otherwise, you're going to choose buyer, landlord, or tenant. If it is a referral that you need to put in, you're going to choose either the landlord or the tenant, because that's where the referral opportunities are. I'm going to leave this as a listing opportunity, but you would select the correct one. The next step is to look for your client, assuming you've already put them in under your contacts. And there is my client for the evening. I can do the opportunity name here if I need to do something other than just the name of the client and the type of opportunity. Down here, I need to put in the commission rate that I expect to earn, just my share, not the entire commission, just my portion of it. And then I can put it at the phase that it needs to. We're going to leave this one at the beginning stages just to go through the overview. Click the Create Opportunity button. So this is your opportunity, quick overview. The things that you would need to do is either select from the listings. If this is already in the MLS, you can go here and choose from the MLS. If it's your listing, which it should be, it'll be populating right here. You just select it and put it in. Or if it's a non-MLS property, you would go right here to this pencil and put in the address. And again, this is connected to Google Maps, and so every already mapped street address in Texas or actually in the United States is in here. And you just start typing until you find the address that you're looking for and put it in. If it is not yet mapped by Google Maps, maybe it's a new build, you would still put this in. Make sure that the numbers stay here, because oftentimes on new build the numbers will disappear, and you would know that when you hit save. These numbers sometimes will disappear, in which case you'll want to go in and type it again, but you'll want to type it all out. Instead of selecting from the drop down menu, you'll just want to type it all out and click out over here, and then hit type in the street, the state, everything right here, and hit save. So there's two ways to get the property address in here, either here or here. The next big step you want to do is in the documents, and this is critical. To just minimize the work you do, you need to select the correct checklist type right here. You're going to go here and either select the 1 to 4 family, the condo, the unimproved property, farm and ranch, new construction, commercial, unimproved, or REO. So selecting the right checklist is critical to making sure the documents will match up with the needs of the transaction. So if it's a condo, we're going to select that. Now the overview I want to show you is about the folders. The first folder you come to is about your listed documents. If this is a buyer, it will say consultation documents, and it's the documents when you first meet your client and get them to sign up. So on a listing, you're going to have your IABS, listing agreement. For the condominium, you're going to have this addendum to the listing, and then all the other documents that we ask from you to protect our sellers. That's where the listing documents go. Then when you have the contract, they go in the under contract folder. So these are separate folders. They're split out separately so that if you need to terminate the contract, they're not bulked in with the listed documents here. So make sure you know which folder you're putting this in. The closed folder is for when it's all finished. You would put either the closing statement. This is where the MCA is going to put your DA right here. You can always come in and find it under your closed folder. So you're going to get your documents in the correct folder here. The next overview is here for the offers and commissions. This is where you go in and you put in the offer. And I'll cover doing the full commission in a different video, but this is where you're going to start putting in the numbers for the commission. And I hope that this really helps you just see the different pieces of the transaction. If you need to communicate with me, you would put comments in here under your Documents tab. You can do it under any of these folders. I do get them all. And if you type it in, you leave a comment here for me by just putting the @ symbol and my name. It will come a message to me if you need to tell me something has changed or an important note about the file. This is a quick overview. I hope it helps you just understand the basic structure of an opportunity and how to use it efficiently. Thank you.